as they are approaching the first jump in front of the stand side. Late break for Grenoble, second position, Guapa Desiree. Ale is the one in light green that is pulling strongly and hardly at the end of the home stretch. Opening corner, Io Ti Racconto, Ale and Guapa Desiree. That's the first line. Second line made by the stable companion Eros Desiree that is making ground along with Espoir Desiree with pack behind Rexic, then Romolo Watergate and Angel Cross, the backside of the pack. Middle side of the backstretch, and now they are taking the first of the two diagonal. Io Ti Racconto over Ale, the jump number 3 has already done safely over the whole group. Third outside, Hero de Sere. Grenoble is on the move on the near side. Now the jump number 6 on the way for this field for the left-handed turn. Grenoble is over pace. Io Ti Racconto third outside, Angel Cross, fourth inside, a few lengths behind Ale, then mid-pack behind Hero de Sere and Guapa de Sere. Watergate in 7th position, happens over once again, and now the second diagonal jump number 8 and 9, Grenoble on the right side of the screen, Rexic on the left side, between horses. Io Ti Racconto, Ale, Park behind the leading division, and now is cruising on the right side of the screen with Watergate, White Face, Yellow and Blue Silk for this Valgeist Gelding for the last passage through the stand side. Grenoble chased by Io Ti Racconto, Ale in third. They're going out of the home stretch for the second last turn. 5 more jumps and flights to handle. Io Ti Racconto and Ale are following the leader that is impressing good pace. Angel Crossing fourth, Rexic and Jan Faltisek are making some ground from the back. The first jump of the 3 place onto the backstretch is now out. Grenoble is weakening a bit and now is overpaced by Io Ti Racconto and Ale on the far and near side. Io Ti Racconto, Ale now is on the move convincingly. He's taking the lead, becomes the one who showed the way in the last 3 more flights and half a mile to travel. Angel Cross is traveling very well in the hands of Rotislav Benz. Then Watergate and the Eichner bit far behind over the far turn with 2 flights left to cover. Ale chased by Angel Cross, Io Ti Racconto and Rexic. Here it is, the second last jump, number 14. Much depend on the last in a very tight and open finish. Rexic and Jan Faltisek on the bridle and in hands down to the center of the track. Is trying to put the front in view with Ale under strong whip. Then far side, Io Ti Racconto with Rexic that is giving an hard time to the favorite. There is more to come. Rexic on the far side, near side, Ale, the clear away from the rival with Rexic on the far side. Ale on the near side that is resisting and responding well. Lens behind the Watergate and Io Ti Racconto. In numbers, it's 1, 8, then third position number 10, and then in fourth Io Ti Racconto number 7, 1, 8, 10, 7 should be the provisional results here in Pisa San Rossore. Race won strongly by Ale and Gabriele Agus. Raf Romano had the quick double in the day.